Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally tackling rearranging this living room. I have been doing projects with sorry if you can hear that, loud motorcycles outside. So I've been working on projects for my shelving and like tabletops. This picture behind me I did. And those just took a lot of days. So now we're finally ready to rearrange. I'm so excited, nervous, excited. There's so many things that I can't do because I can't leave the house, but it's fine. Everything is fine. So yeah, let's get started. Yes. Hey everyone, so just a little update. I have finished the table, I have finished the painting, I have poly sealed my bookshelf and my what's this called, like a TV media center table thingy. I repainted them black and got them polyed so they're nice and shiny. Next step was to do my light. And as you can see, I'm still like in the process of moving things, so don't mind the mess. But I had this hideous boob light that was in my ceiling, and I wanted to replace it with something more bohemian. And as you can see from all the different circular shapes I have here, I tried to figure out what items I could make like a macrame or tassel, kind of like a pendant light, but I guess it'd be more of a chandelier in this sense because it's not a pendant light. So like a chandelier, and none of these options worked because I have a lovely, I've got this sucker that the light itself stays up because it's screwed on from here, but there's no holes or anything. I'm still not even quite sure how this thing stays up, but we're not gonna mess with that. So after so much Pinteresting, I found an idea about, thank you Kat, I found an idea about how to make like a chandelier with embroidery hooks. And I don't have 3 different sizes because that's the ideal thing, but I do have 2 relatively similar sizes. So the goal here, technology. The goal here is to have something that resembles this, where this will be the top, then there'll be some fringe, and this will be the bottom, and there'll be some fringe. And the way that I'm going to adhere it is another way that I found on Pinterest, although I can't find that pin again, but it was really ingenious. And they took little cup hooks and put them in different places in the ceiling around their light fixture. So I do know that, you know what? I was thinking command hooks could be an alternative. I just don't want you to look up at the light and be like, oh my gosh, that's so cute, but why is there a command hook on your ceiling? Gross. So we haven't gotten that far. First we need to make this thing. So I will clear out a space and then we'll get to making us a light. Just like to let you guys know that I did successfully make the macrame yarn chandelier. However, I did not record me making it because I really didn't know what my plan was or how I was going to do it. So if you are interested in seeing a tutorial on how to make the chandelier, because it was super easy, I would be delighted to. So just let me know in the comments down below.